Greetings! Welcome to the basic tutorial for Elluminate Live. There are many features that Elluminate offers, but we're just going to show you the basics so that you can work with another person in a tutoring session. So we're going to walk you through those steps now. When you first enter the Elluminate Live software, this is the screen you're going to see. And a few housekeeping items need to be done before you actually start working with your participant. One of those is this recording reminder. We can just X out of that because likely you're not going to be recording your session, and that box just kind of gets in the way, so you can get rid of it. Next, come up to the tools, click on that, come to audio, and go to the audio setup wizard. We want to make sure, because you're probably going to be using a USB headset, so if you're using that, make sure you click that. You're going to click OK, and then the wizard is going to walk you through the process to set your microphone and speaker levels. I can't do that right now because it'll override the recording I'm doing, but you're going to do it, so you're going to click OK and then go through that process. I'm going to click cancel and go to your next step, which is back to the tools, back to audio, and set the maximum people talking at once. Usually it's you and one other person, so you can just slide this to 2, but if you're working with partners or a small group, you can slide this to as many as 6. But for this tutorial, it's just the 2 of us, so we're going to say 2, click OK, and that's set so that now you'll be able to speak back and forth with the person you're working with. One last thing is tools. This time we're going to go to moderator, and we want to make sure that this box is checked. Normally it is, but if something may have changed, if it's not checked and your person has not joined you yet, they will not be able to get into your session. They'll be locked out. So make sure that box is checked now, and you don't have to worry about it later. In this case, it's checked, so we're ready to go. So that they can hear you, you'll need to come down to this microphone icon and click it, and then you'll see by your name it turns yellow around the microphone. That means they can hear what you're saying. When their microphone's yellow, that means you can hear what they're saying. If for some reason they've joined you and you can't hear them and their microphone's not yellow, you can come down to the text box center and send a message. And you can talk back and forth, tell them to come down and click the microphone at the bottom because it's not yellow. And once it's yellow, and both microphones are yellow, you can speak back and forth. Now you're ready to start working on a document. If you have the documents, you can go to the monitor symbol here, click that, and it'll display for both of you to be able to see and work with it. If they have the document, then you can just tell them to go ahead and click on their monitor screen. The document must be opened on their desktop or opened on your desktop to be brought into the whiteboard area. So in this case, I've got it, so I'm going to click on the screen. All the things open on my desktop are going to be listed here. I'm looking for this Microsoft Office Word document, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click OK. And the document's now going to appear for both of you to work on. So you can make changes just like you're in a Word program. So if you want to highlight things, change color, type stuff, however you would normally act in a Microsoft Word program is how you're going to use this program here. If they want to make changes, you simply right click on the name of the other person in the text box, and it will come down and says give control of shared applications. Click on that, click OK, and now they can make changes as well, so both of you can manipulate the document. When you're both done, let them X out of it because it'll give them the option of saving the document. So if there's changes that are made that they really want, they can save it. If it's just something you were discussing and you're working with it and they're still not sure what they want to do and they want to keep it as it originally was, then they don't have to save and they'll still have the document for further use. And that's pretty much it. Those are the basic tools you need to know. When you're both done, you can X out of the program and get ready for your next person. So those are the basic tools you need. If you have any hints for making this a better tutorial, please let us know at the CIT department at Frostburg State University. Have a great time using Elluminate.